Okay, here's our revised drawing for the kitchen. If we look at the glass cabinets, we have the undercab fridge in the middle. These are glass doors. I don't know, we really don't have enough room to do a vertical French light. Possible to do a couple horizontals, or we just do one door per cabinet, which that door would be about 24 wide, and you could do a vertical and a horizontal French light. Countertop that's from front of countertop to back of countertop, 42. These are pullouts, 3-drawer stack, a pullout. Our sink cab, undermount, dishwasher, and standard cabinets either side of the range. These are equal, but because these are deeper, we can't get these equal. I really don't recommend trying to put anything here. It's quite tight to try to put an open shelf or floating shelving in here. Our fridge cab with the fridge leg, and then we have this modified cabinet here in the corner. So the bottom of the microwave will be about 36 inches off the floor, 2 doors below, 2 doors above, with adjustable shelving behind them. One thing to point out, I think it'll work, but it might take some trimming. This line represents the width of the microwave here. Here's the specs for it. So that's represented here. And we can see this corner. This is the fridge leg. It'll probably work, but we might have to trim a little bit back here and cut into the side of this cabinet. Those dark lines represent that angled cabinet. And there's no other way to do it. I mean, it is what it is with this fridge leg, but when that microwave's installed, it will require some cutting in the back of that cabinet to get that to fit. The face of the peninsula. This is the cabinet left of the sink cabinet, and that represents 33 inches because that sink cabinet's wider than normal. Dishwasher, and our hood, we'd have a piece of crown molding right here that would just return into the face of this. This would flip up, this would open up, and obviously before anything goes forward, we need to confirm the ducting. And this is the fridge cabinet, pretty straightforward. And our China hutch. Okay, take a look at that and let me know. Thanks, guys.